Dan, sorry that you couldn't be here, but I'm going to make some notes for you that will be easier than explaining it on email or whatever. So here's my chicken ready to go. I've trimmed the fat. This is about 20 pounds of chicken, and it's of breast meat and nothing added. And I've got a funnel for I like the wide mouth jars. I do also have a little one, but these are really easy to work with. And then I'm going to put the chicken in. I've washed my hands. Sorry you didn't see that part. And then it doesn't matter what size it is. When it comes out, it's going to be like the texture of tuna. And then I'm just going to push it down with a spatula and just get the holes out. So sometimes smaller pieces is better, but you can see like I have practically a whole, or half I should say, breast that I'm going to put in there right there. So I'm going to fill up the jar to the top to about an inch of space at the top, and just keep pushing the air bubbles out. I don't add salt. Some canning says you can add salt to it. I don't, and it comes out fine, and that's the way I was taught. So then when you take your funnel out, it keeps the top of your jar clean, and that's really important. We will also wipe the rim of it, but I just push it in, and that's how far it is. Then I take a wet paper towel and wash the top of each jar. And I boil some water in the microwave in this. You can do it on the stove, but I don't. I just fill this with water and cook it about 3 minutes to boiling. Then I take my lids and drop them into the water. And then let them sit for just a few minutes to get the rubber soft. Then I'll put it on, tighten the band, somewhat firm, not too firm, and then it'll go in the pot. And I filled it to the line I marked with a Sharpie because I could never find my line. And my canner will hold 7 jars, so I'll fill this up. And these are quart jars, so I'll put 7 jars in here. And then I put about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar in the water, and that just keeps the outside of the cans clean. And then I'll show you how we cook it when I get the jars filled up, the can filled up. Cut.